Now that summer's here, you may be putting some maybe some summer concerts on your list of things to do, but there is a risk you should know about before you go. Even though you may not notice it right away, exposure to loud noise can age your ability to hear twice as quickly as it should. The more often you listen to sounds that are too loud, the more damage your ears will accumulate. Doctors recommend wearing foamy earplugs to your favorite show. They'll mute the noise to a safe level while still allowing you to hear everything you want to hear. It's important to be aware of the amount of loud noise that you subject your ears to, because losing your ability to hear can have life-altering effects.
One time, that's all it takes. So if you go to a concert and you say, I'm going to just tough it out, and you walk out and your ears are ringing and everything is dull, you've done permanent damage at that point.
Yeah, again, once your ears are damaged, the damage cannot be undone.